The longest, the widest and the tallest. The MG Magister has not just braved Spiti's winters, but in fact has glided through some of India's majestic beaches with shifting sands. And it has also pulled a 406.4 ton train. How cool is that? We took the MG Magister off-roading to see what it's truly capable of. So stay tuned to watch our full review. Some vehicles perform, others redefine expectation. The MG Magister, India's first D+ SUV, does both, and with remarkable ease. Take a look at the MG Magister, and the first thing that you'll notice about it is its commanding presence. Its proportions are really unmissable. Longer, wider, taller than anything else in its class. This is not excess. This is engineering elevated. And so, on a hot, balmy April morning, we set out from Ambi Valley to drive the brand new MG Magister. The much hyped SUV sure impressed with its size and proportions. But did it have what it takes to impress? We began our drive by venturing into a thicket with it to see what the hype was all about. And of course, to check all the new features that it came packed with to negotiate muddy and rocky terrain. The first thing that we did when we got inside and started driving through the natural track was switch on the 360-degree camera. This provided us with an excellent view of our surroundings. Next, we turned our attention to the fan speed and were happy to note that we could adjust the speed via the infotainment touchscreen and also through the physical button that provided a more likable experience. Next, we made our way to the obstacle course, where we could actually get a feel of the MG Magister's true blue capabilities. The positive incline and the negative incline were amongst the few that we checked out, adjusting the settings on the inside in order to make the most of the SUV. The MG Magister comes with triple differential lock for center, front and rear, and we switched between 2H, 4H, auto and 4L as instructed throughout our drive. Every instruction during our drive was flawless.
Swipe down on your screen and switch on HDC mode, Hill Descent Control mode.
Needless to say, the 360-degree camera along with its 3D functionality never ceased to amaze us. Next, it was time to check out the CCO. Crawl Control Operation. So once again we are here and we've activated the CCO or the Crawl Control Operation, and as you can see my feet are off the accelerator, and this is basically on its own, and what it's trying to do is get us out in a very slow crawl mode, applying even torque so that we are able to very slowly get out of some really difficult terrain. Now the crawl control operation that we have just activated, the CCO mode, this is something that you see on SUVs at a much higher price point, but MG has made it available on the Magister, and that's really saying quite a lot. It's definitely something that's really worth paying for. After driving the MG Magister through various obstacles and experiencing firsthand not just its different features but also its suspension and all that it could do during off-roading, it was time to bid adieu to the natural track and head to terra firma to take a closer look at the SUV. A bold, majestic grille leads the front, and there are also these sharp beautiful and elegant DRLs. Not to mention the headlamps that add precision. A raised bonnet, connected LED tail lamps and 19-inch alloys really complete the look. The MG Magister also gets 343 litres of boot space with an electrically opening and closing tailgate. It feels robust, yet it maintains a distinctly premium air. Now as you can see, inside is all rather elegant with these black leather finishes. It really looks quite pristine. Now the MG Magister seats, they don't just ventilate and massage. In fact, they also remember you. It also gets 3-zone climate control, which ensures that all the occupants are extremely comfortable. Also, there are charging options galore. Now the MG Magister also gets a 12.3-inch infotainment system as well as a 12.3-inch instrument cluster. While a panoramic sunroof adds openness, ambient lighting adds character. The interiors of the MG Magister are really spacious. You can see the amount of shoulder room, the amount of leg room, not just for the driver and the co-passenger, but also for the second row and the third row occupants. Not bad at all. This 2-litre twin-turbo diesel does a fabulous job, and it's also mated to an 8-speed automatic. The performance is brisk and really enough whether you decide to go and drive it in the city or take it off-roading. And like we've shown you earlier in this video, its off-roading capabilities are really top-notch. The 2-litre twin-turbo diesel engine puts out 215.5 PS of power and 478.5 Nm of torque, and that's what makes the MG Magister a really torquey SUV. Smooth when you want it to be and formidable when required. One of the best things about the MG Magister is how you can actually adjust the steering, and that is really something. Just look at how beautifully the MG Magister corners. Very few cars are capable of this kind of sorcery, if I can call it that. When it comes to the MG Magister, confidence comes as standard. Now the MG Magister comes with level 2 ADAS, which supports steering, braking as well as acceleration. And there are also a lot of other stability programs that work quietly in the background. It is safety that feels intuitive. Another really remarkable thing about the MG Magister is that not only is it a very capable SUV when it comes to ride and handling, but it is in fact also an extremely easy SUV to maneuver. And despite being such a large SUV, you do not feel like you're driving something colossal or cumbersome. The MG Magister is available in 2 trims, Sharp and Savvy. And as you're aware, you can also buy it in a 2-wheel drive setup or a 4x4. Take your pick. Now ownership has also been thoughtfully addressed with MG's 555 program. Now what exactly is this 555 program? Well, the 555 program is 5 years of warranty, 5 years of roadside assistance as well as 5 labor-free services. Simple, reassuring and entirely fuss-free. And so in conclusion, the MG Magister is not merely larger, but it's mighty capable and also refined. And friends, if you enjoyed watching our video, don't forget to like, share as well as subscribe to Turn of Speed. See you in the next one. Ciao.